What's up, everybody? It's your girl Christy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's video, you guys, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. If you don't know, Jaclyn Hill has a collaboration with Morphe, and she has some fabulous palettes. But you guys, this look I have created is full of rosy pinks, a little bit of orange, rustic orange, some goldies, some bronzes to complete a nice freestyle look. And if you're wondering where I got my hair, you guys, I will drop it down below in the description box.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, you guys, make sure you go right now. Click the subscribe button on the bottom and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload a video.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really want to see is that.
Okay, you guys, we are going to be, I'm going to be playing in the Jaclyn Hill palette, Ring the Alarm. I absolutely love the colors of this palette. It's very rich, it's very springy, it's very summery, really nice shades and tones in it. We have some of our matte solid colors, and then we also have a little bit of our shimmer tones, which is perfect. So as you see, you guys, I already have one of my eyes done. I have done one of my eyes because I want to just kind of get a feel for this palette and these colors to see what kind of tone I want to set for my eyes for today. So you guys, before anything, I'm actually going to do some swatches on my arm just to show you guys how pigmented this palette is. Because I did notice a little bit of it's not really pigmented, I'm going to be honest. It's not that translucent onto my skin as I thought it would be. And so you guys, I wanted to show you guys how that looks on this. So the first color that I'm going to swatch on to my arm is called Lolly. So it's like a pretty, like shimmery. I'm going to swipe it on my arm, you guys, and I digged in it a little bit deep just to show you guys. So that's that color. Next, we're going to go in with Rush. Rush is a more like a rustic orange, you guys. And as you can see, you guys, I'm having to go in double time just to get a good, swapping. Then we're going to go into Oh Camera. This is probably for your glam look. That's really like goldy. That's not too bad, you guys. Next, we're going to go in with Boom. And let me like wipe my hands off. Huh? Alright, you guys, so after I applied the, let's see, Boom, which Boom is right here, you guys, I went in with Alert, which is right here. Then we have Bomb Ass right here. We have Siren right here. We have Mugshot right here. Mugshot isn't really, as pigmented either, you guys. Then we have Frame here, and then we have Secret here. Now, you guys, I feel like with this palette, the colors are not as pigmented as I expected coming from Morphe, and this is a Jaclyn palette. I was expecting a little bit more. This is my second palette from Jaclyn Hill. Well, actually, it's my third. And honestly, you guys, I never took the time out to sit and, try out the colors on my arm, just test the colors out to see how pigmented they are, because I was just so excited about having the Morphe, But if you are going to get this palette, you guys, just know that you're going to have to swap this with your brush several times to get somewhat of the color that you're wanting to. It's not as pigmented, and I just was expecting more from Morphe, seeing that they have influencers coming in and doing collabs with their brand. But you guys, it's still a good palette. I still love all the colors and tones and shades. It's just that you're gonna have to do more to get more of that color that you're wanting. So you guys, let's get into this video. First, I'm going to go in with the color Rush, which Rush is right here, you guys. Then I'm going to transition that into Alert. We're going to blend in a little bit of the Mugshot, you guys. Then we're going to do Siren. And then we're going to go in with some of the Lolly to kind of give us a brighter color up at there for our transition look. And then we're going to go in with Bomb Ass for the going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me. This color shade is Latte 358. Yeah, I really wasn't sure about my color, you guys, so I honestly just kind of went what was close to my skin, and I felt like this is pretty good. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe concealer, you guys, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. If you liked this video, make sure you go and give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button again, you guys, and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.